Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about resultant vectors and how to find them. So let's start by defining what is a resultant vector. It is going to be the result of combining two or more vectors. So let's say you have vector u, which is made up of a1, b1, and a vector v, which is made up of a2, b2. Then the resultant vector is going to be the sum of those two vectors, a1 plus a2, b1 plus b2. So let's see if we can find the resultant vector, given that u is 3, negative 6, and v is 1, 2. So we're going to start by saying, okay, I'm looking for u plus v. So I'm going to isolate those horizontal components, the x components, if you will. So that is going to be 3 plus 1. Then we're going to take a look at the y components, the negative 6 and 2. So negative 6 plus 2 goes into my second spot. Now I can simplify. 3 plus 1 is 4, and negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. So the resultant vector in this case is 4, negative 4. If we wanted to look at this graphically, we could show the same thing. I would have 3, negative 6 by going to the right 3 and down 6. Then I could also graph 1, 2 by going right 1 and up 2. Now that I have shown my two vectors individually, in order to find the resultant vector, I have to line them up tip to tail. So I'm going to take that second vector and I'm going to slide it down so that its tail touches the tip of the orange vector. Now that I've done that, I can draw my resultant vector from the starting point of the first vector to the ending point of the second vector. This is now my resultant vector, which we again will call u plus v. When we're looking at it, we can see to draw this, we would need to go right 4 and down 4. So u plus v, or the resultant vector, is 4, negative 4. So whether you want to find the resultant vector algebraically or graphically, you now have the tools.